Hey guys, today we are going to cook something different than the usual Chinese dish. It's Chicken Capsicum Combination Rice, for which we need 2 cups of Basmati rice, 1 packet of Hakka Noodles, 2 diced capsicum, half medium-sized cabbage, 2 carrots, 4 green chillies, small piece of ginger, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1 finely chopped onion and 2 diced onions, and we have them all ready now. Let's take approx 250 grams of chicken with bones. We need to marinate it and keep it aside. Add half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. We need to mix them well. Keep it aside for 10-15 minutes to marinate. After 15 minutes of marination, add 2 to 3 cups of water. Keep it for boiling. We need to boil it for 10 to 15 minutes so that the chicken cooks well. After 15 minutes, with the help of a spoon, check whether the chicken is cooked. Now turn off the flame and keep it for cooling. Now let's soak the washed basmati rice for 1 hour. To cook the basmati rice, here I have kept water for boiling with 2 spoons of oil, 1 spoon of salt. Once the water starts boiling, add the soaked rice to the water. Keep the lid closed and turn off the flame. Same procedure needs to be followed to cook the Hakka noodles. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil to 8 to 10 cups of water. Once the water starts boiling, add the noodles to it. Keep the lid closed with the flame off. After 10 minutes, drain off the water and pour some cold water on it immediately. We need them only 90% cooked. Now let's start with the preparation. Add some oil to the hot pan. Once the oil is hot enough, add to it the chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute them for 2 minutes till it turns golden brown. Now add finely chopped onions. Saute them for 2 minutes until it turns soft. Now season with half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix them well. Now let's add the vegetables, onion cubes, chopped carrot and cabbage. We won't be adding the capsicum cubes now because we don't want to overcook it. We'll add it towards the end. Now let's saute the vegetables for 2 minutes. Once the vegetables are half cooked, add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of vinegar. You can even add a bit more soya sauce if you like the flavor. Mix them well before you add the tomato ketchup. You can add 3 to 5 spoons of tomato ketchup. Mix it for about 10 seconds on flame. Let the vegetables absorb all the sauces. Now I'm moving aside all the vegetables and making some space in between so that I can crack open an egg over there. You can even use 2 to 3 eggs. Keep stirring till the egg gets cooked. Slowly mix it with the vegetables. See to it that you don't overcook the vegetables. Keep them on low flame. And now we can add the capsicum cubes. If you like the raw taste of the capsicum, you can add it towards the end after putting off the flame. Now mix them all well. Once the boiled chicken has cooled down, we need to separate it from the bones and shred the chicken. After we mix the vegetables, we need to add the shredded chicken pieces. Mix them all well. Now add the boiled rice. Remember, it's only 90% cooked, so we need to cook it further. Mix it well with the vegetables. Mix it really well. Now we need to add the boiled noodles. Mix it well. You can even break it into small pieces so it's easy for you to mix. Mix it with the rice and vegetables. Once you have mixed it, keep it close for 2 minutes. Let it cook. Turn off the flame and it's ready to serve. You can serve it with or without a gravy. Here I have prepared a special gravy for this. It's called as pepper caps chicken. For recipe, you can subscribe to our channel. You will be notified on our next video. I hope you liked our video. Please post your valuable comments and feedbacks in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.